So here is my Renault Megane coupe. Thought I'd make a little video on it, as I came across a forum where people were having a problem with an electrical issue. So basically you've lost your power to your radio. I'll ignore mine because I've changed it over. You lost your power to your radio. You've lost the power to the central display, and I can't think there was a third thing. And my problem, I presume, started here because somebody had obviously had a problem with this. They've not done a too bad job putting it back, not brilliant, but it needs to be changed. And I had lost my electric mirrors, and I found that it looked like water had got in there and fused all the wires together, so that's a new switch, and I had to resolder and redo the wiring. But I couldn't understand when I checked the fuses for the radio and for the central display, they were okay. And then going through them one by one, and hopefully you can see that, there's a fuse there called coupe console, and that was it basically. That fuse had gone, even though the radio fuse was intact and all the others were intact. If that fuse goes there, then it just knocks out everything else. And I redid the switch on that, and it came out with later again, so you sort of got to match the wires up, but I got it to work, and then actually got the everything to come back on. A few other things that are strange, because I've had Renault Megane cabriolets, which I thought they were based on this. Wishbones are different. The wishbones on these are on a Megane Scenic and a mk1 Clio, I believe. You can't quite see down there at the wrong end of the car up, but yeah, whereas on the Megane convertible, on the wishbone, when it attaches to the chassis, you've got one bolt that goes directly upwards and one goes sideways, and these, the two bolts just go sideways, so it's like it just swings down once you remove the ball joint from the hub, which is interesting. That's going to be the next job. Not many of them left around now. A few quirky things, like I think that's just brilliant, the way there's all those electrics, all those motors, just to open up that window 1 inch, if that. But yeah, quite pleased with this one. Believe it or not, only 46,000 miles from new, and picked it up in a garage car lot for 800 quid. So really pleased. But yeah, seeing a few comments on different forums, I hope that helps somebody out. There you go.